Thank you for tuning back in to Your Health Matters with Health Coach Lisa. Today, I want to talk about cancer. I want to talk about how cancer actually mutates and where it comes from. Some of you may know me and know that I was diagnosed with breast cancer 3 years ago. I opted out of any type of chemotherapy, radiation, but that was for me. That was my choice. But I did opt in to have the tumor removed. So I cannot tell you what to do. Before we get started, I do want to give my disclaimer that Your Health Matters with Health Coach Lisa does not make any claims of any cures. This is for educational purposes only. So let's get started. Make sure that you share this video with anyone that may be looking to do preventative, in remission, or looking for alternatives to do with what their doctor is saying to do. What cancer actually is, how cancer develops. It happens when normal cells regulate and break down over time in your body. Your body is constantly replacing old cells with new ones. But mutations in DNA can disrupt that. So when that happens, your body gets off balance. It happens when the repair system fails. Abnormal cells can survive and multiply. This is why early detection is so very important. So make sure you guys are going to get checked, especially if you are in your 40s and 50s, go get your mammograms. So with me, as I've been on a health journey, I've been a health pioneer for over 25 years, I did choose a lot of herbal and holistic things as well. Learn how to support your body with natural, holistic, with whatever you choose to do. Your lifestyle choices may help reduce disease risk and promote long-term wellness. So what I'm explaining today is that everything from what you're eating, especially I always talk about fast foods, processed foods, can be a contributing factor to cancer. I wouldn't say that's the only thing. Sometimes it's inherited. And that was my situation. But can I say that I was fully taking care of myself? Not 100%. I've always believed in supplements and vitamins, and I definitely still take them. But I was eating out sometimes, eating junk food, drinking sodas sometimes. High fructose corn syrup is a contributing factor to diabetes as well. Look it up. Look up these things for yourself. Always do your own research. But reducing, again, processed foods and excess sugar, staying hydrated. This is empowering to your cells. And when you start weaning yourself off of a bad diet and you start weaning yourself into a healthy diet, you're going to feel so much better. Now that I went through my process and had the tumor removed, I'm even more conscious than I was before. I've been on this journey for 25 years. So I can say I'm pretty lucky that I know what I know. And also, I do a lot more walking and exercising. Building a lifestyle that supports your body naturally. Investing in your health is so important nowadays. I know it's easy to grab something when you're on the go. There's so many fast food restaurants, so many choices. But with natural, holistic lifestyles, you will learn to even maybe meal prep. I do a lot of that. I even carry a snack with me when I go out of the house. So I'm not stopping in just to get something out of the store and grab that. Well, you know, it's just a cookie or it's a bag of chips. All of that adds up and can definitely affect you later on. I've learned to make my own protein balls. It's like peanut butter, oatmeal, a little bit of honey, a little bit of sea salt, and semi-sweet, mostly dark chocolate chips. And I carry that with me. Sometimes I put walnuts in those, but it helps that spike or that craving that you may have when you're out, or take some fruit. If you guys know how to cook, I always say this, go back to your kitchens. That's the best thing to do. And in this, what I have found is that stress management is very important as well. Stress can contribute to that hormone that is going to make you hungry, and that's going to contribute to your sugar cravings. So you have to find a place every single day to just ground yourself. Get in a space where you can do some breathing techniques and you can lower your stress. Especially as you're getting older, you're going to find that stress hormone, which is your cortisol levels, those are going to go up and down. And those will actually have a great effect on what you're putting in your body. It is impossible. It's really hard when your cortisol levels go up not to want to go get sugar. That's where it comes from. So you have to find a balance. And after the age of 40, going into your 50s, and when you've went through menopause, your hormones are so imbalanced. I went through all of it. And that's what I found is my cravings were off the chain. I gained a bunch of weight. When I went through menopause, hot flashes, my hormones, they don't talk enough about that. But I did go through it. And again, I changed my lifestyle for good. It is a lifestyle change. You have to do it here mentally first. You have to make your mind up. It is really hard. A lot of this is mental. But once you make your mind up to change your lifestyle, you will feel and see the difference. I have shed so much weight by eliminating processed foods and sugars. And well, you know, going through cancer and going through an operation and getting that, it was a scare. You will take into consideration, maybe I'm going to have to do something about this. A lot of people end up back in the same situation because they go right back to the same eating patterns. And they find themselves back with that diagnosis again. Weight, exercise, and nutrition are a contributing factor in your life regarding these health issues. I didn't wait. After those diagnoses, I started to wean myself back into a healthier lifestyle. So after I had my operation, I stuck to it. No, it's not easy. There are so many situations in our life that can cause us stress that you have to find a balance somewhere, because it's just not worth it. It is the hardest thing to do, but it's worth it. Your weight comes off, your energy goes up, you sleep better, you feel better, and you look better. So consider it and do your own research. I always tell people, do your own research. But if anybody is going through it, inbox me if you need any support. If you are dealing with cancer, you need emotional, mental, spiritual help, and you want some tips, reach out to me, inbox me. I will definitely get back to you. So as for now, I hope you are staying on your health journey for the year 2026. Until next time, take care of yourself. Have a good one.